Thank you, and enjoy your ride. Welcome back. Please exit to your right and have a great day here at Lagoon. Welcome to Cannibal. Please watch your step as you board the gate. Please sit in an upright position and rest your head against the headrest. Move straight down until welcome back. Please exit to your right.
It's really dark. I think we're the last ones also. Well.